Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 420 different strategies with 133 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 319 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,051 indicators with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, I'm new, what trading strategy do I use? And so it's kind of hard to qualify that. I guess we'll just have to see whether or not this is a profitable strategy. And if it is, then if you're new, then it's possible you could use this strategy. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the pivot point super trend indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings of this one. And what we're going to do is under the pivot point period, we're going to change that to 7. The ATR factor, we're going to change to 1. The ATR period, we're going to change to 9. Then under the styles, we're going to turn off everything in here but the buy and sell like this here. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the TMA overlay. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And this one stays on the default settings. Just make sure that these 4 selections are the only ones that are checked. Everything else here goes unchecked, and the inputs and everything stay as they are. Go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for when we get a buy tag like this here from the pivot point super trend. When we get a buy tag like that, we are then going to look to the TMA overlay, and we want it to have a green background like this. So the idea is that price is trading above the moving averages. You get a green background like this. Price pulls back into the moving averages, and then we pick up a buy tag like this here. And once you get that, that'll be your signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot right here. And then we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see on the spike of this candle right here, this wick, we actually get to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for, again, is we are looking for the sell tag like this here from the pivot point super trend. We're then looking to the TMA, and we want it to have a red background like this here. Again, the idea is that price is trading below. We're getting a downtrend with the red background, and then we pick up a sell tag like this here. And so that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see here that on this wick, we make that push to the downside, once again getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we've got 25 winning trades and 25 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 50% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,000 for an overall gain of $5,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy. Again, I guess as a new trader, it's definitely something you could look at and put to the test over time and see if it kind of holds up, but it seems to do rather well. But compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 44 trades altogether. We did 35 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,000. On the losing side, you would have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $10,200. So definitely better results. And if you do use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would increase the win rate significantly. Your total gain would have been closer to the $21,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in backtesting and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just yesterday we closed out winning trade number 46. That's 46 winning trades in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now so that way you can take a look at that. That's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. Again, that's 46 winning trades in a row, closing in on 3 months of 100% profitability. The combination of the two is super powerful, and backtesting it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and take a look at that here if that's something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.